person in this room, but you have a job. Now imagine if somebody has given your job to a foreigner. There's no foreigner that will work in the Department of Sport, Arts and Culture that does not have a special skill. Not one.
Committee sitting for higher education, where the Central University of Technology is shown to be prioritizing foreign nationals over qualified South African citizens, using academic autonomy as a scapegoat to continue this illegal practice without consequence. This violates the principles outlined in the Employment Services Act No. 4 of 2014.
The biggest crisis facing our country is unemployment. And some of you sitting here have the audacity to hire foreigners instead of South Africans. I don't care how you used to do it, but for as long as I am the minister, there will be no foreigner that will work in an entity while a South African can do the same thing.